Welcome to Down to Earth Kitchen. I'm super excited to have you here today, guys. I have a bunch of friends coming over tonight. We have a bunch of different dietary preferences and restrictions, so I will be going over all of that. We've got vegans, we've got gluten-free, and we've got diabetics, and we've got us who do not eat meat on Fridays in Lent, which today is. So, all of that in mind, we are doing some flatbreads, some with cheese, some without cheese for our vegan friends. So I think that's gonna be something for everybody, along with some snacks and all of that, and drinks. So here we go. I gotta go really fast. Our friends just let me know they're coming 2 hours early, so I think they're gonna be here any minute. But I'm really excited to show you all of this. Here we go. My friend Veronica is here. We have been friends since high school. How long?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been a while. Today we are making flatbread. So some will have cheese on them, some will have no cheese. There will be veggies all around. And we are making the flatbread today out of spelt. So do you use spelt at all?
Well, what is it though?
Spelt, it's made from spelt berries.
Oh.
It's like ancient grain.
Wow.
So it's better than the new white flour and
right.
even the new whole wheat. So it's the most ancient. I think we need a little cheers.
Cheers.
It's so great though. It's perfect.
Okay, so
I'm not really good with making bread, and I kind of feel like you might not be either though.
yeah,
compared to my daughters who are going to be
amazing.
I have never made spelt flatbread before, so I'm going to give it a go. We make spelt biscuits all the time with flax in them. Okay. So I'm trying to make the flatbread a variation of our normal biscuit thing. So it's either going to work or it's not.
So is this a biscuit or is this a bread?
I really don't know.
Okay. It's a flatbread.
Yeah,
right?
it's a flatbread.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got the spelt here. Organic spelt flour. Okay, have you heard about how everyone's milling their own flour now?
No. Does this mean people are growing their own wheat?
No. I think they order the berries.
Okay.
Well, actually, there are people like growing their own
wheat is actually really hard to do it without a lot of chemicals because it's sensitive to the moisture.
Yeah, because they say once you grind it, it starts losing nutrients right away. It's like picking a vegetable or whatever.
Like flaxseed.
Okay, so we're gonna do 6 cups of spelt. Do you want to start doing that, Veronica?
Yeah.
And I'll move on to the next step. Okay. So Veronica's gonna do 6 cups of spelt. Here's the cups.
Oh, I need a knife.
Do you need a little knife? Oh, I'm not that exact.
No? Okay.
No, maybe I'll come out if you actually care. I'm not very good at perfectly measuring things.
6?
6. I won't talk to you while you're doing it because I always lose track. All right, I'm gonna go for sea salt. Okay. And I really just kind of took this recipe and combined it with a few different recipes combined with mine. So I really have no idea if this is gonna come out. Guys, I will tweak this if I need to before I put it on the website. I'll put the recipe that works on the website so you can make it.
3? This is 3. This is 3. Okay.
3 teaspoons.
I don't know why this bread won't rise.
You're like, I won't talk to you. I'm like, oh, I can handle 6 at a conversation. Now I don't know if this is 4 yet.
I've always
okay.
Let's just pretend it's 4. All right, I'm busting up the salt because I don't have fine ground sea salt, but I'm putting in 3 teaspoons of really chunky flaky salt. I love the Maldon sea salt.
Oh, for the minerals.
Yeah, but I didn't grind it up, so this is grinding it up.
Oh, okay. I feel like 6 is good.
Do you feel like that was 6? Or we don't know? We just think.
I feel like I have like 72% certainty.
You know what? We're gonna know when it turns into dough if we need more flour. You can always tell that way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I love surprises.
I know you do. All right. So Veronica, you whisk that up because we're trying to whisk all of our solids together so they're nice and even. We got the salt, and then I'm gonna go add some baking powder. Aurora today told me that baking powder was for making the bread rise. She watches lots of cooking shows, and so. All right, I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of baking powder. All right, should we do this with a flourish? I did not expect it to pop.
I love Lucy. Okay, we're gonna do more.
Oh my gosh, no, that was good. That was good. And we just need to stir that in. That was our only explosion necessary. Oh, you know what? I wanted to throw some flax in. And I don't really know how much to throw in because it's not like my biscuits. Let's do 3 tablespoons of flax because I feel like that's healthy. And I'm not gonna use the knife. We're just gonna, that's how I normally do it.
It really, it's like I'm having flashbacks of high school.
This is your life, Veronica.
That's so silly. Okay.
I always say everything you do as a kid, like everything we played at, it's like what we do now as adults, and we get paid for it.
Yeah.
Except for I don't get paid for this.
Yeah.
Okay, so once that's all whisked together, this is what I've never done before because biscuits, you don't do this. So for flatbread, all the recipes I'm seeing, you boil water and then you put it in here, and then we have to fry them really fast. And then we're gonna set them aside, and then we're gonna dress them and put all the toppings.
I am totally equipped for this task.
I feel like you are, I do. So I'm gonna start boiling the water here. And that'll go fast. Okay, so I don't have the quarter on this one, this copper one. I did it because it was pretty for the show, but I'm just realizing I don't really know where it's stopping. So we're gonna go for 2 1/4 approximately. Does that look like 2 1/4 to you, Veronica?
Oh, and a quarter. I like the quarter part. Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna take, all right, so go slow. Okay, copper and copper. It's only the best retainer of heat, conductor of heat ever. Okay, so we're turning this into dough. Look at this. And we're just gonna kind of feel out the dough and see if we feel like it needs anything else. It smells good. You smell it already? Like that flax in there, it smells very earthy.
Switching hands.
I'm kind of feeling like I just want to like get in there and start doing with my hands.
Okay.
Like I feel like I'm done with the.
As long as it's not boiling.
It's not. It feels actually really good. It's kind of like a little spa treatment in there. Feel that. We might have gotten the right amount. Like this might actually perfectly be 6 cups. That might have been 2 1/4 perfectly.
I can see how the frying would help though.
Oh, you know what? Maybe a little more water because I did throw some flax in there. Maybe just give it a dash. We're gonna pretend this is another 1/4 cup and call it 2 1/2. There. There, don't touch it yet. I mean, I'm sure you knew that, but I just didn't want you to hurt.
No, I need reminders right now.
Yeah, the girls are the bakers in our house. I like to pull out the ingredients and the directions, and hopefully this is enough. I actually feel like we got our ratio right. Feels right. It smells so good. Okay, so I think this thing is supposed to make about 18. Let's try, should we try this size? All right, we're trying it with lacrosse balls now. Okay, I do feel like this could make a pizza now. Kind of like splits towards the ends, but I think that's gonna give it a nice rustic, home-cooked, down-to-earth vibe. What do you think, Veronica?
Yeah.
All right, now I'm just ready to get to the next phase. How about you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try one, and then we'll do the rest. Okay, so we're gonna paint our flatbread with the olive oil. Okay, so we're coating it. Kind of don't want to coat the other side on this board though, huh? So maybe I'll coat it when it's in the pan. All right, pop it in. Okay. This is fun. This is the most fun part. You can do the next one, Veronica. You're gonna love it. Awesome. All right, I think that one's good. We got this, we got this. Okay, we've got 3 pretty ones. Look, we're getting better. Look at that. I'm gonna throw some mushrooms, onions, olives, and truffle oil and basil. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Like a nice,
really
like spring green, fresh. Okay, I like the sound of that. Take some pretty mushrooms. So I'm gonna chop these mushrooms really finely. Veronica, you know these are my dad's knives?
Really?
Yeah, Generations Cutlery. We're gonna do one with cheese and one without cheese. So we've got that. I think this is gonna be so good. Let's go heavy on the garlic. Does that sound good to you? Mm-hmm. Grab a couple of these. Roll these up. Ooh. And I have the cutest brown bowl. I can put those in. Bowls make me happy. I got this antique and I lost it. It was lost in our yard for 2 years, Dave, and the kids found it. It was in the mud. Where's my bowl? For years, and they're like, look, Mom, it's buried in the mud. My favorite little bowl. All right, so, and then should we go nuts on the garlic? Turn that off. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be such great little flatbreads, aren't they? What if this is the best flatbread we've ever tasted? Okay. All right, so we're ready to get our flatbread in the oven. So we're gonna put our toppings on there. So we're gonna start with a layer of olive oil and some minced garlic. Then we're not doing cheese for the vegan version, so we're gonna start layering all our veggies. We're gonna top it with our olives and our mushrooms, our onions, and then I think we'll throw the basil in when it comes out, so it's fresh. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And then we'll do the same thing for the non-vegan version, but we'll layer on some cheese. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put our two of our flatbreads. I'm actually super into the messed up rustic ones. They're almost like blooming. Like those are both really pretty.
Yeah, this one's really beautiful.
Okay. Do you want a little, start with truffle too?
Yeah.
And then, I don't even think we need to do any olive oil if we just go all truffle. What do you think? Oh my gosh, it smells good already. Do you smell that?
Okay, onions.
I love that. So yeah,
No, garlic?
Oh yeah, the garlic snaps.
You show me.
No, you do it. I don't think it really, you just do that. Okay, so should we start with our garlic and onions? Okay. So we're just layering, having fun. It's a pizza party. Love it. Okay. You're doing lots? Okay. I'm gonna want like more.
Interesting.
This is like the perfect spring meal, isn't it? I should let you do mine too, but I was kind of copying yours. They are so cute. Oh shoot, I forgot my cheese. I'm gonna need the cheese. All right. I might even just do it with just a little of mozzarella, but mostly shaved
here and there?
Parmesan. Yeah, just like little moments of cheese, little cheese bombs in there. We're just kind of layering it in under these beautiful mushrooms because I should have done it first, but I didn't. But in a way now, I get to make it pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, these are beautiful, guys. I think we're on to something. Okay. So I also feel like we need a little pinch of sea salt on this. Do you feel that way? Do you want a little salt on yours? You know what I have is lavender pepper.
What's lavender pepper?
It's pepper with ground lavender in it. Just a little herby and pretty. Sometimes lavender is too much for me. Just a little cracked pepper on top. All right, we got that. Oh, and then I've got to do Parmesan. So I'm gonna layer the Parmesan just sort of right around on my mushrooms and things. Why don't we toss the basil and the parsley together and make like a little fresh green spring mix? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that together. All right, how much do you, I'll let you go. So that's the combo.
It really is a flick.
It's good, I need more.
I got a fever.
Yes. This is the only prescription. All right, so we put that on, we'll put it on a thingy. Okay, you feel good. Oh, it's just floating in the middle a little bit. Oh, baby. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Your Wolverine claws came in handy.
They did. Okay, should we put this in?
Weesh.
Okay, just slide them on in.
Sitting.
All right, guys. And, oh, it's real good. Okay. And we were gonna do a few more herbs on top, right? Well, I did cut them. Do you just want to do it with your hands, or did you want a fork and knife? Okay. I don't have plates, so. Okay, trying it. Let me try it. All right.
Going down.
That's delicious.
I like that. I want to throw a little salt on mine.
I always need salt.
Yeah, right?
That's
Cheers,
so
guys.
good.
This is insane.
I didn't have an olive yet.
I think by itself it's good.
I'm getting a lot of truffle oil on mine. You get truffle oil in yours?
Good. Okay.
I like it. Thank you guys so much for coming along with us on our rustic flatbread adventure. I will put the tweaked version of the recipe with all of our math skills happening into our website, and it will be on a downloadable recipe card so you can print it out and enjoy. I would say, how would you describe this? It doesn't taste like a normal flatbread. It's almost like a crispy,
Like a warm, earthy biscuit pizza.
yeah, it's really good. It's different.
With
It's like
truffle
really
oil.
earthy.
Yeah.
I love it. So I'm gonna be sure to put the link to the recipe in the description, and be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more of this beautiful mess that we have going on over here. Cheers, ladies. I love you guys.
Love
I love
you.
you. Cheers. It's spelt.
No, that's really yummy.
Isn't that good? It's like a
It
pancake.
doesn't feel healthy, right?
Well, I'm not sure it is.
We made a immense inventory of all the stuff we put in
it's
it.
definitely like all organic and clean, but I'm not sure it's healthy. I don't know.
It's yummy.
pretty
Cheers.
healthy.
It is.
Cheers, ladies. I love you guys.
Love you.
Cheers.